Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I hope you're doing okay. Thank you so much for joining me. In our last lesson, we learned how to talk about things we are doing right now using the present tense. And we talked about things like Ninatoka, which means I come from. Unatoka, which means you come from. Ninajifunza, which means I am learning. And unajifunza, which means you are learning. So if you haven't watched that video, please go back and watch it so that you can understand this one. And remember, don't just watch the video, but also try your best to repeat what we are learning. So the more you repeat, the faster you will learn. Are you ready for the next bit? Good, so let's get started. So we will start with the verb kuenda. Kuenda simply means to go. So maybe you're going to work, maybe you're going to school, or maybe you're just going to the kitchen for a snack. In Swahili, you can say Ninaenda. Repeat after me. Ninaenda. One more time. Ninaenda. That simply means I am going. So you can say something like Ninaenda kazini. Repeat after me. Ninaenda kazini. One more time. Ninaenda kazini. That simply means I am going to work. Another example is Ninaenda jikoni. Repeat after me. Ninaenda jikoni. One last time. Ninaenda jikoni. So Ninaenda jikoni simply means I am going to the kitchen. Excellent. How will you say you are going? To say this in Swahili, you can say Unaenda. Repeat after me. Unaenda. One last time. Unaenda. Good. So you can say things like Unaenda kazini. One more time. Unaenda kazini. That simply means you are going to work. Another example is Unaenda jikoni. Repeat after me. Unaenda jikoni. One last time. Unaenda jikoni. So you are going to the kitchen. Good job. From these examples, the ni in Ninaenda is the subject prefix for I. Na is the present tense marker. And then the u in Unaenda is the subject prefix for you, and na the tense marker showing the present tense. Another verb is kufanya. Kufanya simply means to do. Kufanya. This is a very useful verb because we tend to do a lot of things during the day and you will use this verb a lot. So to say I am doing, you can say ninafanya. Repeat after me. Ninafanya. One more time. Ninafanya. Great. Now to say you are doing, you can say unafanya. Repeat after me. Unafanya. One more time. Unafanya. Excellent. So you can say things like ninafanya kazi. Repeat after me. Ninafanya kazi. That simply means I am working. Good job. You can also say unafanya kazi. Repeat after me. Unafanya kazi. One last time. Unafanya kazi. You are working. Good job. The next verb is kula. Kula simply means to eat. This is one thing we all do every single day. Before we conjugate this verb, this is one of the special verbs in Swahili called monosyllabic verbs. That simply means it has one syllable, which is la, and we have a couple of them. So these verbs, when conjugating them in the affirmative form, we do not drop the ku like the other verbs. So in this sentence, you will realize or you will notice that we still retain the ku when conjugating it. Good. So to say, I am eating, you can say, ninakula. Let's say it together. Ninakula. One last time. Ninakula. Excellent. Now let's talk about you. Unakula. This means you're eating. Unakula. Repeat after me. Unakula. One last time. Unakula. Good job. You can say something like, ninakula wali. I am eating rice. So repeat after me. Ninakula wali. One last time. Ninakula wali. Good. You can also say something like, unakula wali. You are eating rice. Unakula wali. One last time. Unakula wali. So the last verb that we'll talk about today is kunywa. Kunywa simply means to drink. So hopefully you've had some water today. Good. So listen carefully. Ninakunywa. I am drinking. So repeat after me. Ninakunywa. One last time. Ninakunywa. Good. Now to say you are drinking, you can say unakunywa. Repeat after me. Unakunywa. Wonderful. Now to say I am drinking water, you can say ninakunywa maji. Repeat after me. Ninakunywa maji. So maji is water. And to say something like you are drinking tea, you can say unakunywa chai. Repeat after me. Unakunywa chai. Awesome. So those are some few verbs you can use on a daily basis. Remember, learning a language takes practice. So don't worry if you don't remember everything today. Just keep listening, keep repeating, and keep practicing. Now, before you go, I'd love to hear from you. In the comments below, write a sentence about something you are doing right now. For example, you can say, Ninaenda kazini. That simply means I am going to work. Good. So I will be reading and responding to your comments. If you enjoyed this lesson, please like, subscribe to the channel, and share this video with someone else who wants to learn Swahili. Thank you so much for watching, and kwaheri. See you in the next lesson. Bye bye.